Hey, I'm Darci of Darci Decorates, and today we're gonna make a frozen cake in the pan. So this is my in the pan series because we leave the cake in the pan and we're gonna decorate it. Now my rule for myself is that I have to use items that are commonly found in houses, like a wooden spoon, a knife, a regular spoon, because instead of the cake decorating tools, because a lot of people don't necessarily have that stuff, and I want to show you how easy it is and how great it will look at the end. So for this cake, we don't have to worry about how much taller the cake is to the pan because we're going to make it a snowy winterland. And I just used box cake mix to keep it really simple. Alright, so I am using my frosting, which the recipe is on my website. The links are below. It's really simple. It just says shortening, some powdered sugar, and water, and some flavoring if you want. But I wouldn't add, actually I didn't even add flavoring, because if you add like vanilla flavoring, it will turn it a little yellow, so you don't want to do that. It's because we want white, because it's going to be snow. So basically I'm just literally taking a spoon and plopping it on. That's what's great about snow, because you can just go plop. Isn't that fun? And then we just take the back of the spoon. Now the trick is to have a lot of frosting. When you try to go too thin, then you're gonna peel the cake back. And that's when you're gonna have some problems. So I'm just working it back and forth like, you know, like an S shape kind of, and I'm slowly, here, let's show you. I'm slowly pushing, see I'm pushing it like this. So I go back and forth and I nudge it. So I'm nudging it, nudging it, nudging it. And I always wanna kind of keep like a blob in front. So I put the blob down and then I just kind of work it. All right, because we can always pull it back. So like if I have too much, I can always do that. So, and gosh, I don't even think I need a knife for this one. But a butter knife is what I did pull out for myself in case I wanted to. But honestly, this spoon is working really great. Now I'm gonna try not to get it on the outside edge, but later if you really wanted to, you could take a rag and wipe it. By the way, if you do use box mixes, this is a quarter sheet, so 13 by 9 inch pan, and you want to use a box and a half. So I used a box of white or yellow, and then a half a box of chocolate. So I make the chocolate up, and then I pour about half in zigzag, and then I make it marble. I have another video for that actually on how I marbleize cake. Okay, look, here's my cake. I do have a little swirly, and snow doesn't really go swirly. So what I want to do is just kind of play with it. Look, I'm making peaks. I'm smacking it. Smack that right on the floor, smack that. Uh-oh, look what I did! Because I was dancing. Okay, so guess what? That's easy to fix. That's what I love about cake decorating. You can just fix it. So what I'm gonna do is push that back in and more frosting. There you go, see? I'm gonna add the characters. You can place this any way you want. You put the sisters here or put them all separate from her. I think I'm gonna have the two girls. Well, so you pay attention to what she's doing. She's looking this way, but she looks a little like, little mischievous here. But she kind of looks like she's googly eyes over like Christophe, right? Maybe we want to have them like flirting over here. Let's do that. So Sven we're gonna put next to Christophe because it is his reindeer. The fluffy snow frosting is going to hold them in place. What I like about these figurines that I got just off Amazon, you can put snow over the platform there. So if you really were having troubles, you could just put snow like this all over it, because then it just looks like he's standing in snow, right? And then you can put it on. So let's put him like he's watching. He's watching from over here. Now we're gonna put Elsa. So we're gonna put her front and center. And of course, we have to put Olaf. Olaf in the Winter Wonderland. Let's put him, he's kind of cute. So let's put him in the front too. Now we have all the characters on top of the frosting. How easy is that? And so far it's looking really good, but we don't want to stop there. I found in my ribbon collection some ribbon. So I got these two kind of blues, you'll see. So let's cut some ribbon off. Okay, so I cut two long little ribbons, and I'm going to gently curl it. And if you're minor, you might want to help with it with your parents. But anyway, you gently, do not force anything. You gently pull the ribbon through, and it makes it curly. The lighter you do it, the bigger the curls. If you do it too tight, it's gonna be weird. So really you want this. I like the light fluffy. And if you get a weird part, like if you don't like the end, just cut it off. So I'm going to just place it along the back. So in the movie, there was a lot when Elsa would do with her snow, there's a lot of curly cues and things on the animation. So that's what this is kind of reminding me of, her frills and stuff. So what's great too is think outside the box. Let the ribbon drip off the cake. Now I'm going to use this other ribbon. Oh look, it's bigger. The curls are more fluffy. I like it when that happens. So it's kind of cool to have like one of each color, right, in the front. Okay, so I'm gonna place this one over on this side. Okay, so another ribbon choice that I found matches Anna's dress. And I thought it would be great to bring out, it'll pop another color in here because the blues definitely match Elsa, and this will help bring out some color to the cake. What I did was on this, I cut it a little shorter so I can just kind of gently place it around. Okay, let me take a peek because you always want to look at the front. I'm doing it because so you guys can see it. Yay! I think it looks great. Okay, so a couple other things I want to do. The snow. The snow should glisten, right? Because when you go outside and it's fresh snow, it just glistens outside. And so what you can use is a crystal sugar. And a crystal sugar is, they're in little crystal shape, so they have a flat edges to them, and it gives it that shine when the light hits it. That's what's different than regular sugar. I went to my cabinet and I had organic sugar, pure cane sugar, so it's a hint of brown in it because it's all natural. It's better than, I actually have in the raw sugar, which is bigger and definitely more brown. So, of course, if you put this around the reindeer, people will just, you know, don't eat yellow snow. So that could work. But I'm gonna use this regular organic crystal sugar. See, in the bowl it's more brown, but when I sprinkle it on, you're not gonna be able to tell too much. So it's fine. Oh my gosh, it's making it glisten, how fun. Now if you have sprinkles or anything, that would be great to do. But right now we just have our frozen in the pan cake. I'm Darci of Darci Decorates. Thanks for watching.